foolishness na mudi didi ma bedru ha. At least you madam Apiejeni or mama kanka when you change Jimmy way. He's just 46 years or 47 years. We only ncham you. Me wona efe ni trase na ayaden krodo so ni trase na kurukuri aya no. Ni trase na sebio egu kurukuri. Enkwasi ansa oye no elnom no na etwa ne picture. Onyini yo akokora na obo. Kro no obo ndira. Kaka wure na ayana pempem enya dwene enya nyanse bi na wodi tirim kaka wure wonim kaka wure na atoto di tirim e mama adwene nse wanyini Afenyo Markin no nchen mi o me ho na efe hwe na ma hwe me ho yie e na mama akwa we sori a otietem keka nkwase asem frustrating kofo ende ya be hu se oye asase a owian sase wo Ghana efutufo ende my message you go to ahemfo na mo wo efutu area ho mo amakoji sika ne Afenyo Markin akɔhye dem a mo de Afenyo efutufo asase nyina ma Afenyo Markin mo nyina be yi moto mo ebusuafo a mo ne Afenyo Markin akɔhye dem atam eye hundreds and hundreds of acres of land amakwase ampanyi we 99 years mo nyina be yi moto mo ya kromfo. We need the Efutu Traditional Council to come out. Yebedru now yanka Afenyo Markin asem team stay with me. Akwa we kaka wure gu na pempem we. Akwa we Afenyo Markin kaka wure aye na pempem kaka wure. Onyini yo. Kaka wure na ma yesre we nyini kaka wure. Unim kaka wure. Ready ya go ball. He's 46 years. Ojina wa so di 58. Ne hunyina mama ne hunyina masa. Na mama Jimmy we small boy. Ya Jimmy nti otietie ma na etie no. Why should I call this person honorable? What has he done to deserve to be called an honorable? My mention of Afenyo Markin. And as same way mean Jai Kanda because Afenyo Markin is somebody who has supported a pedophile. Me start free chire na me dey bedru enim. No more the character we are talking about. And we have said it and I'm going to say it again today. Abrantie bi ne yire start ebo bra. Ena sebio enkwara mienu be mu. Ma me dwedwam. Enkwara mienu be mu no. Ena den sebio aware de se yente ho asebe ma obi abetuma find the way. Enti enkwara be mu a abrantie no ene ababaawa no e find your way no. Ena emra eba a mumienu ntemu se e wo se enkwara no omutumi ba abrantie no ho ebedi holidays. School time a ebi anomo so akoba no enti abrantie no ene ne yire no na omo ye den omo ne omo ma ne tena sebio emre 2 weeks wa ha ebi a 1 month wa ha a na ekoso Afenyo Markin time na abayiwa wei ene abrantie ne te wo no Afenyo Markin na odi no ye dwudwam abote na fa ho enya ha ne beka se ofa no ope ofa na kotie eye opemso radio aha de yesi na odi no ope wafa no one na da ende asante kasa ye be hye ntoma obekoro na nokora ne hye inside ye ne enya opemso radio ne yoteso aha ye Loud Silence TV ye dwudwam inti abrantie no ene eye ne yire wentwi kakra ba ya obi afine ni we no sa de ma wentwi ba ya na Afenyo Markin di oba no now de kosi ye ne se abrantie no na onim ena na enkwara no omusa 2-3 years ene 6 years so say na omko ma me no ho me no ka say sa abayuwe Afenyo Markin am ya for adwuma e DVLA e wo suedro ho ye frɛ no give me the name enti time na enkwara ne kɔ abayuwa no ho e ma me no ho no na maame ne nua bɛma ye frɛ no JJ na one maame ne nete tie me kyerɛ nipa boni ni Afenyo Markin ye na nse na one ne yere ne mbetwa picture. I hope said the At0pa-Tape we be beto Afenyo Markin na ne mma no they are innocent nti ana me bese me ka Afenyo Markin mma ho asɛm kwase abɛma now they see ne say nkwara no kɔ eye omo maame ho a na Afenyo Markin papa no ex wife na Afenyo Markin dinu no a wakɔpa adwuma ma no wo suedro DVL no na sa papa no Afenyo Markin girlfriend now no eye papa no ex no ni nua bɛma efɛ JJ we yi ne kɔte atoto nkwara na num me be kyerɛ mo video audio me be kyerɛ mo pictures me be kyerɛ mo police report Afenyo Markin we court bi ope bi on fa me nkɔ my ready o say onye sa de we a court bi o Ghana bi on fa me nkɔ opa ombra ha court Inti nkora ne ba omo papa ho no. Ena omo ka che papa say ah, ye koye maame wa, ye maame nua be ma na otifie ho no, oyi ne kotia no de ato ye num. Ena omo ka kire ne papa. Papa no so hu say ah, nkora ne besra na one ne madi agura abosa akora no wa no de nsa bo ne be ma. Na akora ne ye nyama bi iti papa no eye confused kakra. Ena papa ne de akora no ko hu doctor. Ena doctor say ah, ombai obi de ne nsa keka omo. Inte ho ena papa ne ne ma ne tena ase di nkomo. Ebusa ankora ne say mokomu maame wa aya na die na si make sure Afenyo Markin the kind of dirty person he is. In fact, let me find this and play it for you. Make sure papa no ne eye ne ma ne di nkomo no nkomo a one ne ma ne di ye no. Gemi nkomo a one ne ma ne di ye de ne ma ne ka kire no na mebebo a kire wo no. Inti papa ne busa ne ma no say de na mokọ a esi nkora na asem ka kire papa ne nie. Wei Afenyo Markin girlfriend na obi yiri na wakoji ni dinu no ni nua bema Afenyo Markin ni masem wei every say bema no after that no or the court me bedwudwam e de abeduru hande enkora ne ba papa no ne papa no ehye se one enkora de bedi nkomo tie de enkora ne kan ye omko ne maame ho.
Dr. Lu was saying something.
I was saying something.
No, Dr. Lu was saying something. Oh.
Yes. Daddy, what's these?
I think they're key holders. Sorry, you said the last two things that Uncle JJ did. I'm listening.
He put wee-wee in my mouth and I couldn't wash my mouth in 22. And he put his vagina on my mouth.
He put
his penis in my mouth and I go and wash my mouth again.
And where was mommy when it happened?
Mommy said it one more time. Uncle Gigi didn't do it. And Daddy, Uncle Gigi is mommy's brother. That's why she's believing.
I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry.
And Daddy, and he said that I'm stupid and he threw me on the floor. And then I scratched myself so badly it was a bit deep.
I'm sorry.
And another last thing is that he kept on pushing me on the wall, hitting me on the wall like that. My stomach was hurting and I felt so sick.
Okay, I'm really sorry he did all these things to you. It will never happen again.
Okay. Daddy, he also put a rubber in my mouth and that rubber that was from the dustbin. And he let me eat something that was from the dustbin. And then he put people on the floor. I almost slipped and broke my knee.
Okay. I'm really sorry.
This is heartbreaking. Oma akọ oyire ho. Mo separate. Na oyire enua be ma efre JJ e de ne kote atoto wo manuma enkwara na yare. Now, after the man discovered this, Edi Nkoraniko pediatrician ho, Edi Nkoraniko police headquarters, police station, police hospital. Yeah, man, a report to be a say this actually happened. You know what happened? JJ Ghana arrested, no, and a lady, no, your friend is Selena, and the Oko a year for DVL, a whole year Juma, Afenyo Markin, and a mere fan Juma, ne appointment letter ni. Mamin Choncho, namin that time no day. Ne appointment letter because there are some people who are new to this. I need a picture now. Me here Selena picture. Kwasi asem. Mame na appointment letter ni. Na appointment letter ni. Mame chiro. Selena na appointment letter ni. Afenyo Markin e kope se ejuma na ma no. Afenyo Markin ene kope ejuma ma lady no papa ne ex no ye friend Selena. Ko forudia ono na ne mani o. Sa Selena no ono ena ni nua be ma de ne kote toto nkwara na num. Ono ane ma enum ena obo ma no. Ena nkwara ne yare ne ye de omko eden. Ye de omko hospital. Offer of appointment as an administrative officer. Afenyo Markin, Selena Botei ni dino no. That's her name. Na mana mena mo kano. Afenyo Markin the dino. Ono Afenyo Markin to TV so episode de obusan call for questions. Now, this is the woman. Afenyo Markin ekofa adwuma ekopa adwuma o. Kofo dia DVL man no. Omo musa say does she qualify? Now, Mami nko me see court bi opa bia onko me metena nka asema mini fact kama bodam but me pese Ghana fo hu Afenyo Markin the ebe sin there no the kind of person he is oya kromfo And I've said it and said it. Only credibility be to lead the NPP because Nipada or the share hono. Ekufuadu we know he needed a criminal like himself to lead the piglets. Now, yanko enim. Yabeka babesi and the vetin no so. Now if we are Ghanaian, utie me abeka say okay. And nothing Afenyo Markin oye dia oye no. Okay, thank you, Spider. Now, so after that, and a bear man said no, officer pursue case, you know. Police arrested a JJ no. And Afenyo Markin, I say on the bed then obey a lawyer for a Selena. Niana audit ne kwati atoto a onone girlfriend mbanum. Afenyo Markin's law firm was the law firm defending JJ, who is a pedophile. In this article, Afenyo Markin is a pedophile defender. A free buyer. When the police arrested JJ, and then I'm in your race because and they Afenyo Markin. Now, when the police arrested JJ, documents in the doors into this on time refi. Police arrested JJ no. Police ankasa report a JJ charge at the board in the NDA. Mamenchiramo. Afenyo Markin we or ye cromfo. He no we have time because NDA. So you see, the Republic versus Jere Okudzeto on the offended JJ no. Ninya ba ene girl na man exa Afenyo Markin din no Selena oyejuma koforudia DVLA. Into Osha police report a court document now. Indecent assault, contrary to section 103 2B of the Criminal Offence Act 29/60. Particulars of offence. Jayira Okumpa, age 33, biomedical scientist. For that you somewhere in 2021 at Nsafo Winneba in the central region and within the jurisdiction of this court touched one yakata akoradenim one blah 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 vagina without her consent. Ordinance wo nkwara no de ne bema to omonum. Inti abrantie we yede ne court no na ne lawyer Afenyo Markin on ne G case no. Papa na yede ne ma papa na ya molested ma yede obidi kwati ato ne manum eya ne ex-wife no edate Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin akọ a step further by being the lawyer to girl ni nua be man commit a crime no. Afenyo Markin owo mabaawu. This is a despicable, filthy human being. Inti asana kopie court and Afenyo Markin started manipulating judges ni bi. Mababo judges ni bi din wa ha. At a point, the judges decided to go against the children. Na judge bako or insisted say yemfa akora na ya molested and metna court na akora ni nyano. That was the doing of Afenyo Markin. A judge or your bar or tna court ekachre papa na ne ma any prosecutor, police prosecutor na say because police prosecutor no ekachre court say enkora na minors, we cannot bring the kids to court to testify. The police, in front of an attorney, they have taken their statement from the kids, and further investigations and their medical records has proven say the kids were touched. And so, Lord Judge Bitna Court, a Winnie Bahoka Chre, Papa ne say, Uncle Fan ma 2-3 years in the Adakem. This is Ghana. This was all done by Afenyo Markin, manipulated the system because on any law firm, na a defending pedophile no. When I see that guy on TV, let me boo because I'm on maba, and then I'm Afenyo Markin asem. He despises me. I look at him like shit. No, I'm attacking. Me maba. Until any time me never bought Afenyo Markin, so let me boo. Or you foolish, filthy guy. Now this is what happened. Omudi case na court na. Bearman is spending money to at least get the daughters because Afenyo Markin was defending JJ, no. Through his law firm, and also Air Force said, "Omunjin kwara ne mama ameno." And papa said, "No, say kwara we sa go back, baby a JJ tia because mama ne JJ neti. Akwa no ebe raping kwara na every day." Afenyo Markin law firm no ejina also they are insisting say kwara na enko back to where they were destroyed. So he was in court back and forth. This man was spending millions of thousands of Ghana cedis. Back and forth, dove sue, day court every day. Share how it will affect these kids psychologically. None of the as several point to be Afenyo Markin took a phone. Abraya wo court case in the koso. Afenyo Markin a defend the pedophile. A young man ex-wife na Afenyo Markin dino no. Afenyo Markin as a lawyer who knows the rules and regulations, the ethics of a law na ewo Ghana no. He picked a phone and called the gentleman to threaten him. Abra Afenyo Markin knew, said the gentleman was being represented by a counsel or a lawyer. And sorry, a lawyer, you should know this is the basic fundamental law. Says uni obi or quarter, you don't talk to Nipani directly. So person in Nipani kasa, the first rule is to talk to the lawyer. Afenyo Markin for a phone or frere. Abrantie na or no Afenyo Markin. Dini ex-wife. Sani ex-wife ni abema den court atoto abrantie ne manum no. Afenyo Markin called the gentleman to threaten him. This is Afenyo Markin threatening the gentleman.
Listen. When I go to his office, you cross your legs in my office. When I go to his office, he's the boss. No, he's quiet. He's quiet before you. No.
Sorry. This is the wrong tape. I'm sorry.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Hey, how are you?
By Jehovah's grace, I'm doing very well, thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
This is Afenyo Markin.
Okay. Yes, I missed your call this morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I called you, huh? How old are you?
Sorry?
How old are you?
Sorry, I don't understand your question.
I said, how old are you? What's your age?
Sorry, sir, I want to understand why.
Okay, I'm your ex-wife's lawyer regarding the custody of your kids.
Okay.
And I sent my junior lawyer, Deborah. You remember the drama in the school on Friday?
Mm-hmm.
Right, that ended at the police station, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm saying, how old are you? There's something I want to tell you. That's why I'm asking you. I'm talking to you as a gentleman, as a brother. What's your age now?
I find it difficult to answer this question.
No problem. If you won't answer, let me tell you something. I'm a family man myself, okay?
Sorry, come again.
I'm saying I'm a family man myself.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And I'm talking to you as a brother.
Okay.
I don't want to pull the law. Okay? It will be waste of energy. But I want us to find a way of resolving matters, okay?
Okay.
You have put a woman to bed. Me, I believe in metaphysics. And woman getting yeah. Initially, that's why I ask you of your age. We may be carried away by our ego and our pride. What I've seen in life, I don't like to confront issues. I think that there's always a somber way of resolving matters. Because at the end of the day, the effect on our lives, we don't see where it is coming from. If there are mistakes we made in life, maybe we think we have some little money, we can pay our way out, we can frustrate people, hurt people, but in the end, it ends up destroying us. So, I'm talking to you as a brother, not as a lawyer to your ex-wife. So, I'm done with talking to you as a brother. Now, I'm talking to you as a lawyer.
Sorry. You go ahead. I'm listening.
Okay. Did you follow? I said that my first statement to you was talking to you as a brother and a family man. Now I'm going to talk to you as a lawyer. Okay? So, talking to you as a lawyer, try as much as possible. Maybe I could get your lawyer's number so that we respect the court order with the issue of she having access, you having access, so that both of you, you've lived together before, you've had husband and wife relationship. These are the time for both of you to torture each other and then make sure that the kids get the best out of it. Okay? So it's vacation. Whether there's extra classes or not, extra classes is not regular school. She must have access to the kids, and you would have access to them on weekends. That is what the order says. If you agree with me, I think that you can place a call to your wife and ask her to come for the kids. There's no need for police or national security or lawyers to be involved, because the order is clear, so that you can have a peaceful relationship even after your divorce. This is what I think I want to suggest to you, young man.
I've heard you.
So you see, case to call to, then you see what he did. And let me tell you, this Afenyo Markin, he's not older than this gentleman. Oh. No. This was when he was majority leader. You see what they used the power for? Now, first of all, friend Nipano, on Nipano court, he does not have the right. And until on him all committed crime, no. Also, I spoke to you as a family man. Now I'm going to speak to you as a lawyer, because he knew he was committing a crime. These are all intimidating tactics. Now, see, Obusan, how old are you? You call somebody you are in court with, and then you just ask the person, how old are you? Then he's like, what is your age? Then he goes ahead to say, I'm your ex-wife's lawyer. The ex-wife, Selena, now he's chopping her, no? Selena, then you have the court yachishan kwara we didn't say war maseno. Afenyo Markin is the one representing that guy. The law firm. Now he goes ahead to call this man to indirectly do what? Threaten him. What you heard there? Lawyer be our America be any 24 hours you'll be disbarred. Do you know that? But why was Afenyo Markin calling this man? My man sure the question of friend. Afenyo Markin all kasa of phone so no say. Oh, you remember the drama that happened at Wombani school hono? That involves my one of my subordinates, Deborah. Aha. Something happened. Now NDC and Afenyo Markin knew that he had committed a crime and also could jail. And I say this say Yamani Parliament. But because he knew so I committed crime, he wanted to indirectly intimidate the gentleman to stay away from pursuing justice. This call was indirectly to bully the man. That, do you know me? How old are you? What is your age? Technically, he's trying to psychologically sit on him to tell you that I am powerful than you. You are nobody. This is what he's trying to do. Psychologically, he wants to frustrate the gentleman to be scared. Kwasia way to parliament and there, busa questions. But I want you to know the kind of character. Anytime I can say NPP will never come to power again, because they have a pedophile defender who is leading them into a ditch they will never come out of. Now, the reason why Afenyo Markin placed that call was because he knew that in the afternoon he had given instructions which was criminal. Now, what happened in the afternoon before he made this call was that Deborah na oboni dinu onye yejujum about Deborah bidin. Now, this is the Deborah lady. Deborah way oye juma ewo Afenyo Markin law firm ho. Now Deborah we no enkwara no time court can say abrante be to make keep enkwara no, and that until decision is made, the woman was insisting say obeso oje enkwara no e de no omukotena abra jeje da ho tene nche na abrante say ompene e ho na Afenyo Markin who say papa ne de enkwara na ko school no. Afenyo Markin sent this lady, a friend Deborah oye juma wa Afenyo Markin law firm tie anything oye call no ka say, do you remember the incident that happened at your kid's school? Meaning he's admitting that a crime has been committed. So he knows of the incident. Now the incident was that Afenyo Markin sent Deborah with these two criminals. These two criminals are not national security. This is right before elections. So as some way need 2 years. Last year, some okay. Last year, yeah, before elections. So this lady Deborah, who works at Afenyo Markin's law firm, went to the kids' school. And Quran are going through a lot. I'm gonna recover you. Afenyo Markin still told them, say, on only girlfriend or your man way ex-wife, no. I catch them say, Uncle Jim Quran by force. I brought case in no court. And no smart Deborah. And no smart kophobia no is almost a national security for. and omu code school was say omu ko kidnapping kwarano. This is the minority leader. This is the man you want me to call honorable. This is the thing that is trying to interview people and insulting people's wife and averting this. When the NPP before some deba power beam. So what happened was that a call was placed, and then this man had to rush to the school to protect his kids. I have 2 girls. They don't know what is going on. This Deborah and these 2 guys entered the school with guns to kidnap the kids. It is school owner knows about this. And then what happened was the gentleman had to leave work, drive so quickly to the school. Psychologically, Okodu adwuma mu ho no, okodu nkwara ne school ho no, na kidnap person Deborah no ho. E na omofre East Legon police for. E na ye be chi Deborah e na ye chi nkofo mienu we. Tie. Afenyo Markin, such a dirty riffraff. Call to be obvious be uncle. I'm waiting for him. Enti ye be chi nkofo we. E na ye de omoko East Legon police station. East Legon police station one police inspector now this is on record. They should go to East Legon police station. Omano asemo that police officer there, the inspector, the head sir is the most criminal police station in Ghana. Obe police station akro no East Legon police station. Maami bi na ye inspector or then asem we be seen in so she was there. We close the docket because in Kwafo na Afenyo Markin small no me thugs, they were killers. Omuche eyenkofo mienu we miensa we no de omko East Legon police station. E ho ne ye kohun say Deborah ye adwuma wo Afenyo Markin law firm. And that oye junior lawyer e wo Afenyo Markin law firm. Now, listen to what happened at the police station when they were taken there. Muntie ye, police inspector no was questioning them. And some of the police officers were questioning them, say, why in a summa musa mon kon kwara school on kwara kidnapping? Must be a national security for. Listen to what the people said. Afenyo Markin, it's a dirty guy. Muntie they sue a police station war. A despicable, filthy guy.
People, listen. When I go to his office, you cross your legs in my office. When I go to his office, he's the boss. Now he's quiet. He's quiet before you. No. We have not come to that. We have not come to that. So, we have taken clues from you. We are going to follow the order to the letter. Mr. Sexani, listen. We will follow the order to the letter. Your lawyer can come in and fight with the council on record, Mr. Alexander Afenyo Markin. We will follow the order to the letter. We will go through the whole procedure.
Now, you heard the inspector. Time I'm going to call and say, we are going to call the person who brought you, sent you to the school to kidnap Alexander Afenyo Markin. On a sumanko for we. This guy is standing in parliament today, so honorable. Now, did it end there? No. So the gentleman realized, say, Afenyo Markin was manipulating the police service because not a majority leader then. And then his life was at stake. His kids, their life were at stake. So he didn't know what to do. But he decided to pursue. So the gentleman decided to pursue the matter. Now this is what happened. Abrantieri decided to say, Obe petition the general legal counselor, the chief justice, or very close to Afenyo Markin etiso. Listen to me. So the gentleman, Nkorane Papanika, said, no, I can't let this slide. A lawyer, a so-called lawyer, was sent by their boss, who is also a lawyer and a member of parliament, go to my kids' school to try and kidnap them, no? And you want this case to be like a foolish case, see the trauma and money come. So he decided to pursue. He decided to move and check, say, or send a So the young man, the father of the kids, decided to go to the General Legal Counsel. The General Legal Counsel is supposed to be in Penufua omunim Ghana mbra technical because omno disciplinary committee we a lawyer na ubu mbra so Ghana I was say twa so ana ye you to akonwa the chief justice anadanfo pa de Afenyo Markin papa even chief justice papa wu ye o se ne maami wu ye na Afenyo Markin fie ene ye chief justice ne maami o se ne papa ye nti omu ye two omu bokosua tafre omu bokosua etafre because obi ndo wona kumemu a onfa ne fie ma o se fa yo papa ye omu bokosua oni chief justice botafre nti abrantie no the case ni ko general legal counsel chief justice madam Tokonu eteso madam Tokonu na danfo pa ni Afenyo madam Tokonu the chief justice of Ghana on the chair the general legal counsel ni nipa pa onim ni pa ni nyonko pa ni Afenyo Markin. Now asem ko duru ono so the general legal counsel actually saw the petition and they called the case. And this is evidence. Today, 11/6. Good morning, say. Time a General Legal Counsel, headed by the Chief Justice. Efre Abrantie no say ombrani entia semna a wokano. Because Abrantie the petition ko say Afenyo Markin, asman a younger lawyer, any kidnappers to go to his kids' school. Abra oya lawyer onim Ghana mra. Enti I was a General Legal Counsel take a decision. Emre wa Ghana chere say o say sa lawyer ni ye yini free law Ghana lawyer for mu o say yini to akonwa. So this is the inviter